Hello everyone, welcome again to Introduction to 3D Modeling and Printing course. In the previous videos, we inserted the canvases. We inserted the front inside canvases and the top ones. In this video, we will start sketching on the front plane and why we will start sketching and not creating those parts from cylinders. So we have the option to create cylinders in order to make those holes, but so I can create things like that and then extrude them. But what is the problem with this? I will not have an easy way of editing all of them. So I will start everything from a sketch because using parametric modeling, I will be able to modify everything very fast. So I will create a sketch on this part, but before this, I will finish the sketch, I will delete it, and what I will do is to activate the component. So I will have all the sketches inside the casting. So create sketch, I will select this plane, and what I will do is just start to do those holes. So I will press C, or I can go to circle, and I will do 3mm set. I will use the center again, 6, and the bigger one, 12. Perfect. And what I need to do now is to continue doing the same operations. I can use lines in order to help me to create perfect aligned circles. So 3, I press again C on the keyboard, 6, C again on the keyboard, and 12. Perfect. Here again, I will do somewhere here. But first, I will create the platform. So I will press L on the keyboard, so I will create a line. And I want my platform to be here. And I will create a straight line until there. And what I can do is to use an offset. And I want it to be 1.5 millimeters. Wonderful. And now what I need to do is create a new line. And I want to find here the center, and I will create 3, 6, 12. Perfect. And I will use again a line. I will press L on the keyboard, and I will go until the end here. And I'll create another line here, and the intersection will be the middle of the platform. Thickness 3, 6, 12. Okay, most of them are done. Let's continue with the other ones. So I will create again a line for the top of the platform. Sorry, a line. I selected a circle again, so a line. Straight line, perfect. I will use offset 1.5. And what I can do is again use a line here, and it's enough to use here another line, because this way I know where the center is, and both of them will be aligned on the same line. Circle 12. So don't forget, for creating the circles, I'm pressing C on the keyboard. C, 6. Perfect. And 3 more, actually 4. where to go. So I will do here a new one. They are not aligned, so I can just put it here. 6, 12. 3, 6, 12. 3, 6. And here a new one. I will not use the canvas here, just because as you can see, they don't match. Good, but let's see, I want to put this a little bit to the left. So by using the parametric modeling and using the same center, I can move all this very easy. So this is the power of the sketches. Even if I extruded everything, I still can move them. Good. So for now, I will finish the sketch, but in the next videos, we will create the other platforms and parts, and then we will start extruding them. So I will finish sketch for now. I will rename the sketch. And I will finish the project right now by saving it, saving this version inside platform and screw holder sketch. And see you in the next video.